So today, I guess, I should put it over there farther. I'm checking out this camera. I think I installed these a year and a half ago, and it's lost connectivity to the NVR. So let's see what we got. Could really use a hook right now. They come with hooks. I was just dumb and didn't bring one, but I'm actually gonna go grab one so I can work on this easier. It doesn't make sense to try to do this with one hand. Just get this started a bit. So let's get this hooked on here. And stick that there. Much better. See, we're smarter, not harder. So I put this tape around the connection just for extra protection, and it's super sticky. Water resistant tape. There's also the gel inside of the connection. Let me get some slack here. It's a dielectric grease I'm going to put on the inside to help prevent water damage. Along with the bushings, everything else, to help prevent water from coming in here, but I think it may have managed to get its way in anyway. yeah, somehow made its way in, and there's your connection issue. Probably can't see this. I'll try to take a picture, put it up on the screen, but most of the dielectric grease is gone. See if I can get a camera is kaput. Yeah, the terminals are rusted right off. So it's either replace the camera or maybe I can replace this end. But those are our two choices at this point. But that's what water will do when it gets in. And I mean, all the grommets and dielectric grease and anything else you want to try and put in here to save them, it doesn't work all the time. Actually, I'll put a you would have already seen the picture of what this looked like, and it's really no wonder why it's failed. So let's go tell the client. Now, let's get this thing connected. So what we're going to do is we're going to hang this guy off of here. Make sure no water gets on these contacts. Don't need that happening again. So I got this, and what I'm gonna do is load this guy up. I need more hands. Alright, so I'm going to put some of this is marine grade dielectric grease. So I'm going to load up a pretty good amount in there. I want to make sure I don't have to do this again. But first, need to put this end on. Put this bushing around it. Put this end on. Put the bushing back in these little teeth here. Which can be a mild pain in the butt. Not terrible. Slide that in there. Next we're going to push this guy in here. You should see all that stuff squishing in there. Beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze some more in there. All around here. And in the back here. Make sure it gets all up in there. Just coat this really good. Just try and fight off any water that may try to get in there. Alright, so then we'll squeeze this guy in here, tighten it down, and you just want to tighten that up snug. You don't want the rubber bushing, the gasket, to start squeezing out. Then this guy really crank down on, and that'll squeeze that gasket tight as it can around the wire to help with water. So there's that one. Now we just got to do the same thing on this side. Hopefully there's enough wire for this to go on. It's going to be a tight squeeze, but we'll see if we can manage. I didn't even think about that. Should be just enough. Just enough. So what we're going to need to do probably is crank this down prior to putting it in there. So what I'll do is I'll squirt some of this in here. Coat those contacts really good. And then what I'll do is I'll just put some of this on the inside of here. Hopefully it don't make too much of a mess. So now it's like pretty solid in there. And then I'm going to oh man, made a mess, all right. Problem is, I need to get this gasket in here. I just screwed myself a bit now because everything's going to be super slippery. Getting that dielectric grease on my fingers. All right, good, perfect. All right, beautiful. So that thing is coated. Oh man, what a mess. What a mess. But it's going to save it from getting wrecked again. Totally worth it. And it's already turning on, so it's clicked in. I don't know if you can see the camera moving down here. So she is on and working. Get this tightened up. Nice and tight. We should be good. Okay, now that I have dielectric grease all over, now let's just feed this wire in here. Push that back through there for now. The main thing is to get this in here as far as we can. That's good there. Yeah, that'll do nicely. Alright. Now I got the screws in my pocket somewhere. Okay, there's one. too that'll hold it. Three. Well, I got so much trash in my pocket, can't even find the bolt. And 4. Okay. All right. You know, it's cold out when every time you hit your hand, it hurts. Okay. Take this off. And it's snowing again. Now I just want to tuck this cable up, get my grease, the cap on this. I'm sure it'll still get all over my pocket. Of course it will. So now, let's see if I can get up here without breaking my neck. I'd like to put some type of a drip loop. Yes, beautiful. So I have a drip loop now. Hopefully prevent any water from accumulating in there. Tuck this back up where it was. And we're done. All right, down we go.